Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to troubleshoot audio problem in your Windows 10 computer. You can use the same method to troubleshoot audio problem in other Windows versions which is closest to Windows 10. The first method you have to use is to check your cables, plugs and jacks and make sure everything has been plugged in securely and properly. And then move on to the next method of checking your speaker output level. Go and click here the sound icon and make sure it is not set to 0. If it is 0, you cannot hear anything. So bring it to a desired level. If these two simple methods doesn't fix your problem, go here and right click on the sound icon and click troubleshoot sound problems. So this is an auto scan of Windows 10. So I'm going to click yes for the auto troubleshoot, and then it's going to scan all your devices and going to fix the problem. If you hear a beep sound, that means it has fixed the problem. So for me, there were no problem, so it didn't make any difference to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, yes, it is asking me, did you hear the sound beep that just played? If I click yes, that's all. You will stop there because it has fixed the problem. And if you say no, it will go to the next scanning to fix your problem. So I'm going to click yes, and then it says it couldn't find the issue. So that is true because there was no issue. So if this doesn't fix your problem, move on to the next method, that is right click here. Let me close down this one and right click here and go to your open sound settings, and then make sure your output is set properly. So I have the Jabra is my output, and just slide it down. Here you can hear the sound. You see that I can see the activity here. So, and then go to input and select the right device. So I'm going to use the Jabra again for the input, and I can see my microphone is working here. So if this doesn't fix the problem, what you have to do is go to your next method, which is go here and go to the sounds, and then you can see all your audio devices here. That is playback, recording, and system sound. So go to the playback, that is your output, and right click here. You can test here. You see the activity here, and go to your properties and go to levels and make sure this is not disabled. So if it is disabled, just enable it and come back to test again. And you also can go to advanced and disable all the enhancement and retest. Also, you can pick different option here and see whether that fixes the problem by testing it from here or testing it from other one. Let me check where did I test it. I think we tested from here. So you can test it here again. All right. So let me go back here to the properties, and I will show you how to update the driver here, and go to general here and go to properties, and then go to drivers and go update the driver. And I will go in this browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then what you can do is click on each of them, and then you can click next. If you click next, what will happen is it will reinstall the driver, and that will require a restart. So I'm not going to do that here because my audio will get disconnect because I'm using the audio to record here. So, but you can definitely click next and get the driver reinstalled. That means when I mean reinstall, it basically it can update your driver while reinstalling. Okay, so that is complete here, and then I can do the same thing to my recording here. So you can see some activity in the recording here. That means my headphone microphone is working. Also, I can go here, properties, and I can update the driver as I showed you before. And then I can increase and decrease the level from here. And also make sure you set them as default here, because if you are going to use this as your regular device, make sure you set that as default. You can go here, and if you want to set this one as a default, say this one as a default, go here and set default, because these two are disabled. One is disabled, one is unplugged, so I cannot do anything with those things. And this is the system sound. You can pick a different sound and you can test from here to make sure your system sound is working. So if the driver update doesn't fix the problem, you can do things in a different way. Go to device manager, and then you can go to your sound, video, and game controllers here. And then what you can do is right click. This is my Jabra audio device. So I go here, and then I can update the driver from here like before. Or other thing what I can do here, I can uninstall the device and then go back here and scan for hardware changes. It will try to reinstall your driver again. If this doesn't fix the problem, what you can do is you can go back and uninstall here and restart your computer. That will reinstall the driver from the scratch. If this doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is you can go to services and then go to type W and go to Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. This one, Wave Audio Service, Wave Audio Universal Service, and right click them and restart all four of them. And after that, go here to RPC and restart both of them. And that will probably fix your problem. Also, if you have problem with your microphone, what you can do is think about when you are doing a call like a Skype, Teams, or Zoom, and if other people cannot hear your microphone, you can go here and go to the settings and then go to privacy and go here to the microphone. Let me see. Yeah, microphone, and make sure your application can access your microphone. That is, that this has to be turned on. And also you can turn on microphone based on an individual application. Say if Skype is not working, if somebody cannot hear you from the Skype, that means it is turned off. You can turn it on. So this way you can make sure all your applications can access your microphone. One more thing you can try to do to fix your audio problem is to do a complete Windows update. So go to Windows Update Settings and make sure your computer is up to date. If you are so behind on the updates, try to do all updates and restart your computer. So that may fix your audio problem. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification so you don't miss my next video. All right, thanks. I will see you in the next video. Bye.